Hey everybody, we are in Kentucky having a 34 reset with the family, and we're seeing the new grandbaby and hanging out and doing a little cookout. Here's the wife, and here's the me. Everybody say hi to Bobo. Hi Bobo.
Huh.
We have grandchildren over there in the pool. You can't really tell from here, but there are children in the pool. And like I said, we're gonna have a cookout and play some games and stuff later, and then we'll go from there. So we'll talk to you guys later, and we'll let you know what's happening as soon as we get done with all this delicious barbecue. Bye. GoPro, stop recording. Get that thing out of my face.
Okay, let's go. Oh, bam! Oh, bam! Oh,
What are you doing?
watch me swim.
I'm watching you swim.
No, watch.
I'm watching. Good job. Girl, look at you. You're a fish.
Put it underwater.
You are a fish.
Remember when you...
everybody. We are on our way to our stop tonight in Decatur, Georgia. We're going to stop there and then continue on tomorrow evening to the final so that we can make our delivery. And we thought we'd stop here at Walmart in Tennessee somewhere and stock up on a couple of things.
I got to get a new electric skillet.
She got to get a new electric skillet. The other one's going out on us. So let's go see what Walmart's. The other things that Lori likes to do when we go places. We're planting rocks. I can't find it. There it is. We leave those everywhere. So maybe it'll give somebody a grin. All right, so far we found a new skillet, or what would you call it? Electric skillet for the truck. It's one of the ones with the copper pan. It doesn't stick or something. Anyway, all of that stuff.
Make life easier.
Makes life easier because when mom's happy, everybody's happy. So, are you happy, Mom?
Yeah, so far.
You got your skillet?
We're good right now.
Okay. All right. Let's see what else we can find. Got time. Also got a pig for the dog. He lost his other pig.
No, Daddy left it at somebody's house.
I'm getting blamed for this. But yes, I did forget and leave it at somebody's house this last week. And we had to get him a replacement pig because he loves the pig. Everybody get a pig for your dog. All right, now we're at the self-checkout, checking ourselves out. Yep, that'll work. All right, now we're back in the truck and we're putting all the things away. It's time to present our child with a new pig. Do you like the piggy? Do you want the piggy? What's up with the piggy?
Did you take the fork?
Yes, I sure did. Oh, crazy child with a new pig. He'll be there all day. So we're going to get back on the road and see if we can get down to, honey, where are we going?
Decatur.
Decatur, Georgia, that is. And we'll shut down for the evening and we'll check in with you later. Bye.
here. Let's go back, 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 back.
Oh,